What are you doing to make a first impression not on customers, but on employees? So oftentimes we think about the first impression that we are making on our customers, but what about our new hires? The number one challenge that people tell me, our customers tell us they have now, is employee retention. And this doesn't matter. It's across industry. It's all over the country. Retaining employees is the number one challenge. And yet, when we talk to people about that first impression they're making on new hires, what we're hearing is that people aren't really ready to make time for that yet. And so part of the challenge is that or part of your decision is you either make time for what sets a new hire up well so that you're making that first good first impression and they're more likely to stay and be engaged, or you don't and you spend the time hiring new people because you lost them, or troubleshooting all of the challenges that come with disengaged employees. So it's really a choice. So what I want to chat with you about today is two pieces to that puzzle, and the puzzle of setting it up right in the first place and making that good first impression. And they are orientation and onboarding. Orientation is an event. It could be 2 hours, 2 days, 2 weeks, but it is a one-time event that introduces a new hire to your culture. And onboarding is a process. It is a day one, 5 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 6-month process of integrating that new hire into your company, into your family, into their job duties. And so your company family. And so let's talk about those a little bit. Let's talk first about orientation. I have been through this. I'm sure many of you have been through this. Orientations that consist of paperwork and policies and procedures. I am getting tired just thinking about it. So one of the things I'd like you to consider is how engaging are you making that orientation, and are you using it for paperwork, policies, and procedures, or are you using it to introduce people to your culture, to really make a great first impression on them, to roll out the red carpet and make them feel excited and glad that you chose them and they chose you? Paperwork can be done online before they even step in the building. Policies and procedures can be made more interesting, and it can also be reading material before they step into the building. What I want to encourage you to make sure you make time for is introducing people to your culture. Now, I will mention in 501 Ways to Roll Out the Red Carpet for Your Customers, I know some of you have my second book. And if you don't, it's easily attainable. Amazon.com is probably the best place to get a good price for it. But on pages 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, High Point University, that puts every new hire through what they call culture class, actually details exactly what they do and what their culture class looks like. So you can simply pick up this book, look at what they do, and then think about, how can we adapt what they're doing to our culture so that we are making that amazing first impression with our people, our new hires. Then there's onboarding. So really onboarding involving not just the HR team, not just their boss, but even coworkers. What is happening at the first day, first 5 days, first 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and 6 months. How are you checking back in? How are you helping your new hires make friends? How are you helping them feel comfortable in their job? Are you checking in to make sure that the job that they were expecting is the job they actually got? How are they feeling? Do they have any questions? There are a series of activities that can be implemented. They can be put into, there's a variety of different onboarding software that you can use so that you are reminded to do these activities. But These are two pieces to the puzzle that can actually help you retain employees. A lot of our customers tell us that employee turnover happens within the first 90 days. So my question or my challenge to you is, what can you do right now to take your orientation and onboarding process up to that next great level and to make a great red carpet impression for your new hires? That's what I've got for you today. Now, if you like this video, please hit like, comment below, and let me know what you're doing. What is your orientation and onboarding process like for new hires? What do you think you could do to take it up to the next level? I'd love to hear your comments. If you like this video, we have others, so please subscribe, hit that little bell so that you know exactly when we have a new video. And I also want to just mention that helping to design employee orientation and onboarding processes and culture class is something that we do at redcarpetlearning.com. So if you're interested in exploring that as an opportunity, visit redcarpetlearning.com, email us at stars@redcarpetlearning.com, and I look forward to hearing from you. In the meantime, keep living and working the red carpet way.